freedom once again. Yesterday I finished my final exams at the university, which means I am now free to do what I love most, be out in nature. And this time I've come to this beautiful lake called Hraunsfjörður, some 2 hours away from Reykjavik. I have found a nice place to camp, and now I just have to set up my tent. So my tent is all set up. It's a really good waterproof tent that's necessary in Iceland, and I think I found a pretty good spot for it, overlooking the lake. It's now 11 p.m. and it's still pretty bright outside. This is the Icelandic summer. Good morning. It's been a pretty rough night. It's been raining for most of the time, but now the weather seems to be getting better and it's time for breakfast. Alright, we are cooking. Woo. Some oats. Some peanut butter. And a banana. It's gonna be good. Woo! I haven't eaten anything since I came, and this is a perfect, nutritious meal for me to start the day. Dig in. It's now about probably 2 degrees Celsius. So it's pretty cold, but the sun is up and I'm hoping it will get a little bit warmer throughout the day. So I've now been fishing for quite some time. I actually realized that I woke up this morning around 5:30, and that was when I saw the beautiful sunrise. So I was getting pretty tired around noon, and I had a nap for 2 hours, which was really nice. But when I woke up, the weather had gotten a bit worse. It's now raining and the wind has picked up a bit. So I'm just going to have some nice bolognese before I start fishing again. Now, strictly speaking, you shouldn't be doing this inside the tent, but since it's raining outside, I'm going to spare me the bad weather. Look at it. Delicious. This is so nice. Whew. And just before I go fishing, I would like to share with you how relaxing it is to lie here in the tent and listen to the rain. No fish today, but at least I have this beautiful weather, perfect for a bonfire. Let there be light. Not only are bonfires great for warming you up, but they're also good for boosting morale. And when I'm alone out camping like this, it can get a little bit lonely sometimes. And a bonfire like this one can be a great companion.
Woo! Morning. I actually did sleep pretty good, although my face does not agree. And now I will be making breakfast.
Today it's a bit different. No bananas. I've got some prunes and raisins. Might as well eat them all. So this is it. Maybe it doesn't look too good, but it's gonna taste delicious. And it stopped raining. There's no wind. It's absolutely beautiful, and I can't stop thinking about these mountains behind me. It's the 12th of May and they're filled with snow. They actually look like a glacier. Alright, no fish for me this time, but it's okay. It's been a really nice time. The weather's been good overall, although the first night was pretty bad. This is a really beautiful place and I will definitely come back. Thank you for watching.